Hi my lovely viewers, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Very Steady Eat. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Kanda Bhajiyas. These are very famous in Mumbai. You can have it with some pav or some chutney on the side. And as Mumbai rains have started, so let's see how to make this. In a large bowl, add all the sliced onions. And to this I'm going to add salt, turmeric powder, next the red chilli powder, cumin powder, coarsely crushed coriander seeds, crushed green chillies, and mix it well thoroughly with the help of your hands, squeezing it a little so that it oozes out little salt and water. Keep mixing it, and once done, keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes. This mixture will start leaving out the water, which will help in binding the batter, and thus we can adjust the water accordingly. After some time, when you see that the onion mixture has started giving out water and has become little watery, add the gram flour, next the rice flour, soda, Asafoteida and the fresh coriander, and start binding it with the help of your hands. The mixture should not be very thick or very thin, and it should not be very dry also. Now sprinkle some water over the mixture little at a time to coat all the onions with the gram flour. You can see the texture and consistency. It's not very thick, but it is a coating consistency. This is the right consistency at which we are going to fry them. Now heat sufficient oil for frying and fry them in small batches, putting a little portion at a time in small quantities. The oil should not be very hot also, otherwise you will get dark bhajiyas and it will be very raw inside. So keep the flame on consistent medium-high heat to cook them thoroughly. Keep frying them until little golden brown in color and crisp. Once they are done, remove them on a kitchen towel and serve hot with some garlic chutney on the side. So my tasty and crunchy Kanda Bhajiyas are ready and they look lovely. You can have them all by itself. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.